You ever sneeze so hard that your soul leaves your body? Bro, I didn't just sneeze. I rebooted. My brain legit Control plus Alt plus deleted itself. But if we take care of our bodies, we could potentially live forever. I mean, look at this guy. He's 67 and he looks younger than you. No, I'm not. If this has ever happened to you, hit like. We're survivors. Comment your funniest sneeze moment down below. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button because why not? It's free, so I was just thinking, we're all gonna die one day. Hey, are you okay? Who's okay? Who's me?